Gotta hit call. Oh, shit. Oh, let's see. Okay, sure. I don't know what she said, but okay. Sure gonna need my ID. How you doing? I'm good. I had to take a COVID test, but a little late because I came from the Bay Area.
Oh yeah, it's okay, it's fine. Do you have an ID?
I do, yes. It's in one of these wallets. Bear with me here. Here you go. I hate these. It makes me super nervous. I don't like anything. I don't like needles. I don't like anything at all. So, let's see. You guys want to laugh at me? Why am I jittery? I'm super jittery. But in order for me to go to Disneyland, I gotta do this. Crazy. I mean, at least we're gonna know if we're safe or not, and I'm good. Oh my god, I'm nervous. You ever get that nervous feeling? Like I feel like I gotta fart. I got a fart feeling right now. I got to fart or pee because I'm so nervous. My guts are like. I'm not gonna fart though, by the way, in case anyone thinks I'm gonna fart. I'm not gonna fart. And you know I gotta be like extremely open with you. If I'm telling you I gotta fart and pee. Oh, the nerves. Oh, the nerves. This is how we do ourselves. This is how we rile ourselves up so much. And all it is just a little stick thing going up your nose. You know, touching the top of your brain. Just for a couple seconds on both sides. I mean, that's all it is, you know. Why be nervous about that? Because I'm liable to poke my damn eyeball out or something crazy. With my luck. Let me knock on wood. I don't have any, but... He's like playing with me, man. He comes to the window, has the paper, has a little bag, and then he walks away. He's done it twice to me now. He's teasing me. I'm going to tell you guys something super funny here in a second. Every time I shoot a video, I'm like, man, is that a booger in my nose? You know, and I'm super like anal about that. My nose and everything's always super clean. Actually, I'll tell you what it is. I have a gray hair in this nostril right here. I have a gray hair, and it's gray. So I was like, every time I shoot something, I'm like, what is that? I got a gray hair, one of my first gray hairs ever in my damn nostril. I tell you, man, like, my luck. You know I'm comfortable if I'm talking about I got to fart. I'm kind of particular about the way I fart. I don't like to fart in my underwear. That's a long story. I'll tell you how to fart without having to fart in your underwear. That's a whole other story. This paper's mine, right? Yes. And so this one, I put it back in here and give it back to you, right?
Yeah, after it's done.
Okay. I kind of vaguely remember. So I know I'm going way up there on both nostrils, right?
Exactly. So basically, it's this flub out, and it's this nostril. This is one part. It has to be half an inch and 15 seconds each nostril.
Half an inch, huh?
Yep, just half an inch. It doesn't have to be like really deep inside it.
Yeah, that's it. Right. Okay. So. Each nostril, and then I dip it in here afterwards, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So I open this or no?
For now, you can just keep it closed.
Okay. Yeah. And this is mine to blow my nose and my tears, right?
No, this one is an absorbent paper. You should just leave it. You can put it back in the bag.
In the bag? Okay. And how many seconds was it?
15.
How many?
15.
15 seconds?
1 pint.
Holy hell.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'm ready. All right. Oh, it's the ugliest feeling ever. I don't know what 15 seconds is, though. Is that 15? Damn, was that 15?
And, yeah.
No, that was the first one. Okay. Are you counting 15 or am I counting 15? Okay.
I can let you know, like, you know, when it's enough.
Okay, here's the other one. Woo! Okay. Ooh, my eyes. That's a long 15 seconds.
Alright, that's great enough. Now you can drop it inside the file.
Ooh, my God. Okay, so I just open it. Oh, my God, my eyes.
Yeah, that's it. You can break it off.
And break it off?
Yeah.
Like this?
Okay. You can put a big cap on.
Uh-huh.
After that, you can put it back in the bag.
Woo! I'll throw this away somewhere.
Oh, yeah.
Can I put this in here?
And this one, yeah.
Oh, man. Okay.
Yeah, that was fun, huh?
Oh, I hate those.
Alright.
Uh,
So you should receive the results within 3 to 5 days by email.
3 to 5 days by email. Okay, perfect. Thank you, man.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too, buddy. Oh, God. Oh, man, I hate that. I feel like I was tickling my throat. I feel like it went all the way down to my testicles. Woo! But look, we got it done because I'm trying to go to Disneyland and I got to get it done. So I feel like I went in deeper than the, Kaiser when I did it last time. I felt like Kaiser was about to choke the hell out of me with a stick, with a twig. Wait, can I just go? I don't see a light here. Yeah, so anyway, that's the fun of taking that COVID test stuff. So better to be safe than sorry. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. I didn't fart and I didn't pee myself. So enjoy.